It's a certified 2016 Mercedes-Benz E-Class. E equals innovation into style. However, the formula for sporty luxury in this E-Class is anything but formulaic. The design is chiseled and confident, the cabin elegant and sporty, and the performance adds up to an unforgettable drive. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, dual zone climate control, wireless phone connectivity, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, V6 engine, gas pressurized shocks, DVD audio, power tilting steering column, comfort suspension, auto dimming rear view mirror, and power heated mirrors. This from Edmunds.com. Mercedes-Benz E-Class continues to epitomize the modern mid-sized luxury car with its sophisticated technology, elegant furnishings, and wide selection of engines and features. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. Driving is believing. Test drive it today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,